price dropped, so I had to buy these Air Jordan 1s now before it's too late. Free giveaway for the military black Jordan 4s. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment down below. Let me know your size in the Air Jordan 4 military black. This is your last chance to enter this free sneaker giveaway. Make sure you guys get your giveaway entries in. Follow me over on Instagram at DannyMoore2369. The link is down below. DM me proof that you did everything. Good luck. I'll be announcing the winner in an upcoming video. Make sure you guys stay tuned. And I have a big announcement on giveaways later on in this video, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. The price of this Air Jordan 1 has dropped a few $100s, so it was time. It was the right time for me to buy this Air Jordan 1. Market is around $1,100 to $1,200 right now. It was $1,500, $1,600. At one point, way before the release, it was at about $2,000. So this sneaker has dropped a good amount in price, hundreds of dollars. I did tell you guys to wait. Patience will save pockets on this pair of Air Jordan 1s. I waited patiently for this sneaker to drop in price. They have. When Paris came in, price dropped, and it was time. It was time for me to buy this Air Jordan 1. These are expensive. They are a must-have. These are fire, straight fire. Let's get into this sneaker unboxing. These are crazy. I am so happy to finally have these Jordan 1s in my hand. Man, the price dropped. Now is the time to buy before it was too late. During the sneaker market right now, prices are down. We haven't seen any sneaker touch this crazy price tag in quite some time. Now was the time for me personally to buy these. I had my price in mind. This is what I wanted to spend. I wanted to spend $1,100, $1,200 at max. I got them for $1,000. Market is sitting at around $1,100, $1,200 right now in this fire Air Jordan 1. If you guys know this box, you know what these are. Cream box with the brown Nike writing. We do have the pink tissue paper. And yes, sir, we have, here they are, the reverse mocha Travis Scott Air Jordan 1 low. I had to buy these now before it's too late. The price dropped. Now was the time. The brown suede, the cream swoosh, the Travis Scott details on the tongue, the beautiful red Nike Air, the Wings logo and the Cactus Jack logo on the back heel, white premium leather. This sneaker is beautiful, very wearable, and I'm excited to toss these on feet. I absolutely had to pay resale for these. These were a must. Size 10.5, I could wear a 10.5 or an 11 in the Jordan 1 low, and I am so happy, so thrilled to add these to my personal sneaker collection. These were a must cop. And now is the time for me personally to buy them. Do I think you guys should go out there and spend over $1,000 on these? No, I don't think they're necessarily worth it for most people, but for me, absolutely. How I felt about them, yes, I think it is worth the money for me personally. I'll be wearing these, enjoying them, showing them off. I think these are straight fire sneakers. Adding them to my personal sneaker collection, adding them to my Jordan 1 collection, my Travis Scott collection. I absolutely love Travis. These were a must. These are absolutely fire. I need to go back and pick up the OG mochas because I took an L on those and never paid resale when they were going for $700, and now they're touching almost $2,000. I did get exclusive access on the Travis fragment. They're right there. You guys will see them later on in this video as well when I do something with these. Make sure you guys stay tuned to the end of the video. The reverse mochas come with cream laces on the sneaker, which I will be leaving in. I think it's a good look. I also have them on my fragments as well, but they also come with other lace options. You have red, cream, and brown. And on the bottom, you have that bright brown bottom. Very, very nice. And you guys already know on the bottom, I'll be putting Drip Grip, the best sole protectors on the market. Make sure you guys check out Drip Grip, my link down below. Danny10 will give you 10% off your order. Will the Travis Scott reverse mocha go up in price? I've been getting a ton of DMs about it. In my opinion, eventually, yes. I do think they'll stay steady at where they're at about right now. They could potentially drop a little more. I do think they will eventually climb up to $1,400, $1,500 where they were at on release day. But I don't see these really surpassing the Fragment, or definitely not the OG Mocha as well. So I definitely think they're a solid hold if you want to. If you got 1 or 2 pairs, quick flip them. You should have sold them already. This is still a good shoe. You could still cash out if you want to and make your money, move on to the next release. I do think they eventually will creep up. It will take some time. I personally just had to buy them now before it was too late, before the price goes up or I go spend money on other things. I just had to buy these now. Now is the time, before it was too late for me, Danny Moore, to cop these Travis reverse mochas. These are just straight fire. Soul Premise has the best sneaker bags in the game. This right here is Soul Premise's daily bag in white premium leather. On the front of the daily bag, you have some zipper compartments, and on the inside of the bag, check this out, sneakerheads, you have room and individual compartments to store your sneakers when you're traveling. Inside the bag, I have my Jordan 1 lows, and I also have a pair of Yeezys on top. I also have my laptop inside the bag as well. Soul Premise bags have a ton of space. They have backpacks, duffel bags, backpacks, all different type of bags, luggage bags as well. They all are made for your sneakers, all TSA approved. And you guys can get these bags for a great heavy discount using my code Danny Moore. When you click the link down below in the description, add a bag to your cart and use my code Danny Moore at checkout. It'll give you 40% off your entire order, making the bag very, very affordable. Sneakerheads, these bags are perfect for you guys if you guys want to travel and hold your sneakers. Do it the right way, the proper way with Soul Premise, the best sneaker bags in the game. Click my link down below, Danny Moore at checkout. Thank you, Soul Premise, for sponsoring today's video. Time for that big announcement on giveaways. After the Military Black 4 giveaway is over, I'm no longer gonna do monthly giveaways. I'm gonna do weekly giveaways instead. You guys will have the opportunity to win cash prizes from Danny Moore. It'll be in the YouTube videos, so no more for a little bit sneaker monthly giveaways. I want to give it a break and give you guys some cash. All you'll have to do is subscribe. It's that easy, and you can win some money. So if you're not subscribed, make sure you guys get a head start. Smash that subscribe button. Now let me show you guys what I'm gonna do with these reverse mocha Travis Scott. So let's go. So this is one of my display cases. Right now, I'm going to put the reverse mochas in replacement of one of these sneakers. I think I'm gonna take off the Wave Runners, get rid of those, move the Cool Grays down, move the Off-Whites down, move the Travis 4s down, and we'll put the reverse mocha on top right there. So you guys will see them in every video from now on. And then there's the Fragment. What do you guys think? Is that fire or what? The price dropped on these Air Jordan 1s. Now is the time for me to buy them before it was too late. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure you guys smash that like button. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Make sure you guys join the Moore family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.